Here's how you can view your referral code in the GCash app, even if you don't see the usual Refer a Friend button anywhere on the screen. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon, usually found at the top corner of the screen. Now, if you were expecting to see a Refer a Friend option here but you don't, that's actually normal. GCash only gives this feature to selected accounts, so many users never see the button at all, but there's still another reliable way to check for any referral options you might have. Go back to the home screen and tap on View All. This will show every feature available inside your GCash app. Scroll down until you reach the Enjoy section. In there, tap on Jobs. Inside the Jobs section, look at the top for the tab labeled Referral. It's usually the third tab, and this is where you can refer someone for job opportunities listed in the app. It might not be the usual type of referral you were expecting, but it still works as a way to earn rewards. Pick a job that you think fits your friend, fill in their name and email, and tap Refer. The GCash will then generate a referral link or code tied to your friend's application. Once they receive it, they'll be able to apply directly through that link, and the app will automatically track that it came from you. If your friend ends up getting hired, you'll receive a reward for referring them. The reward amount may vary depending on the job, but GCash usually sends it directly to your wallet once everything is confirmed. So even if you don't see the regular referral menu, this hidden method is still a simple way to earn rewards. It's easy to miss, but once you know where to find it, the referral system becomes much clearer and more useful.